Another interesting node is Iceland. It's actually, as you can see, it's a mask. It's a mask, and you have to click on a edit Iceland, and this window will be pop up, and as you can see, you have a brush. You can simple click. As you can see, it creates a random Iceland here, or if you don't want, you can click to erase somewhere of that. You can change the size of your brush here, change it to the draw, and just simple click like this and create a simple Iceland for you, or click. Nice, it's a simple. Here you can change the you have to close editor, and after that you can edit them. Close editor, and here you can change the breakage. It's actually change the sorry it's create a breakage more small island here and here. How many complex are these? You can control that. Simple Iceland or more complex. You can change the seed, change the randomness of that. And after that, you cannot see any 3D because you can close the 2D. And after that, if you want, you can go to the 2D and edit them, or you can edit the Iceland again. But the most important thing here is it's a mask. You have to use another thing for that to create something. For example, I want to create plates. I think it's something flat. Yeah, this is our plate, for example, or something better. Sand, for example, a sand, something like this. And in the sand, in any node of Gaea, we have a mask. You can mask Iceland to the sand. And as you can see, we have a create a sand Iceland like this. Or you can connect this mask, any node here, for example, hill. As you can see, this is our hill, and in any node, in the input, we have mask. We use that black and white image here. We use that black and white image. The black is not, the white is yes. It means it's cut the node that we use it as a mask, and just keep these part that are white. So you can connect your Iceland to the mask of the hill. As you can see, this is our hill. You can see the black area will be cut, and it keeps white area with its own shape, the hill shape. So it's very interesting. You can create such interesting things with the mask and this Iceland. So you can Iceland is a mask. It's created black and white, and you have to connect it to the mask input of any node that you want, and you can create such a these things. And after that, you can come to edit it again. It's modular, interesting. For example, you can erase this part if you want. Or erase. Nice. You can create anything here. Hello my friends. To continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.